actually want to do anything, but my mother is the best. She wants to do what's right, and I try to do my best. Then I would try my best.
Yay! Good job.
Thank you. You want me to do another show? Because I'm going to do a lot.
Okay.
It's going to start in 2 minutes.